Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a spicy and delicious biryani which is native to Palakkad, a district in Kerala. Thus we say it Palakkad biryani.
But we are not going to make the normal Palakkad biryani. Instead, we are going to make the Palakkad biryani in a grill style. Now let's see what are the required ingredients. Onion half a kg, tomatoes half kg, ginger 50 gram, garlic 75 gram. Next is green chilies 10 in numbers, shallots 25 gram, lemon, take 2 lemon, mint leaves as required, coriander leaves as required, chili powder 3 tablespoons, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, salt as required, sunflower oil 1/4 liter, you can take any refined oil, ghee 150 gram, curd 150 gram. Next is the biryani rice. Take the biryani rice which is exactly used for making biryani, otherwise you will not get the exact flavor. Here I have taken the roast biryani rice, about 1 kg. Take 1 kg chicken for 1 kg rice. Next is the spices. Take cinnamon sticks 6 in numbers, cloves 10, star anise 4 in numbers, cardamom 8 in numbers. Take the equal quantity of spices for masala powder and half quantity to add raw into the biryani. Grind all the spices together into fine powder. You can see it has become fine powder. This masala add the exact flavor to the biryani. If you are making in large quantities, you must take the spices in the same ratio but in larger quantities as required. Slice the onion very thin. Chop the tomatoes. Next, grind the garlic, ginger and shallots into fine paste. Garlic paste. Next, ginger. Add some water. Ginger paste is ready. Next, shallots. We say cherryulli in Malayalam. Shallots paste. Remove seeds from the lemon. Soak the rice in water for about 15 minutes and strain it. Take a container with a fit lid for it. This is to ensure a perfect dum. Now keep the flame high. After the vessel has become hot, add oil. Add sunflower oil, any refined oil that you have taken. Now add ghee, about 150 gram that we have taken. After the oil has become hot, add all the spices. Now close the lid for about a minute. Now add green chilies and close the lid. After the chili is completely burst, add all the chopped onion. Add salt. Saute the onion in between until it has become golden brown. You can see that the onion has become golden brown. At this stage, add garlic paste, the whole that we have taken. Sort it well until the raw smell of the garlic is gone. Now add the ginger paste. I have taken about 50 grams of ginger. Add all the paste. Now add the shallots paste. Sort it well until the raw smell is gone. Now add mint leaves, coriander leaves. When the raw smell is gone, you can add the tomatoes. I have taken about half a kg of tomato. Now keep the flame high so that the tomatoes will be completely cooked and the water will get into the gravy. You can see that the tomatoes are completely cooked. Now keep the flame low so that the powdered ingredients that we are going to add will not get burnt. We are adding the powdered spices that we have powdered, that is the cardamom, star anise, cloves and the cinnamon stick. Mix it well. Now add chili powder 3 tablespoons. Add coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Keep the flame in medium so that the powdered ingredients does not get burnt. When the raw smell of the masala is gone, you can add the chicken pieces. I have taken about 1 kg of chicken for 1 kg rice. Add salt as required. Add curd in this stage. Add lemon juice. Close the lid and cook well until the chicken is completely cooked. So you can see that the chicken is completely cooked. So it's a time for our master move. Wait and watch the secret step that makes this biryani super special. Keep a pan on stove and add oil. Keep the flame high. When the oil has become hot, add the chicken legs from the gravy to this pan. Fry well without burning it. This chicken has all the masala that we have added to the biryani. Thus, when we are frying it, it gives a taste like a grilled chicken. If you don't believe, try this out. You'll surely feel a wow. You can see that the chicken is completely fried. This chicken tastes so different from a normal fried chicken. You must try it. We have added only the chicken legs. The remaining chicken remains in the gravy. Now add water, 1.5 times that of the rice that we have taken. Check salt in this stage. Mix well. Mix everything that remains, stick to the container. Close the lid. When the water is boiled, add rice to this. We have taken 1 kg of rice. Close the lid and cook the rice. You must mix it in between. It should not get stick to the container, so it may get burned. When the water has started to boil, you must keep the flame in medium. Then only the rice will be cooked well. Keep the flame in medium. Mix well in between until the water has been completely absorbed. You can see that the water level has reduced. You can see that the water is being completely absorbed, so it's a perfect time for dum. You can put the rice in dum. For this, add little ghee over the rice so that the rice does not stick together. Now add chicken legs to it that we have fried. Add coriander and mint leaves for garnishing and close the lid. Now keep a weight above the container so that the lid will be completely closed. No air can get in. Keep the flame in low. Cook in this manner for about 15 minutes. This will act as a dum. Now it's been 15 minutes, so it's time to break the dum. This is how we make the Palakkad dum biryani. So to make a normal Palakkad biryani, you need not fry the chicken. You can skip that step and cook the chicken with the rice itself. You can see that the biryani is ready and the aroma is watering my mouth. Let's plate it first. The biryani is ready with its grilled chicken. This Palakkad biryani is much more hot and spicy than a normal Malabar biryani, which is white biryani that you get from the hotel. I have plated this like a normal Palakkad biryani also. This is how you get the normal Palakkad biryani in a hotel. And this is my special grilled Palakkad biryani. If you like this video, try this recipe in this Ramadan and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming super special videos. Thank you for watching.